Yes or no? Hmm. So come and see this and before I have to write this. So first I need to call my tables course, and the next one more table we have here. What is this? Student. So I wanted your student along with their corresponding course details. So we written in a non-ANSI format. So we said select a star from student and comma course. And now we are using which class here? Where class, and student.cid is equals to course.cid. And we know that why should we want to take that identity? Okay, na? Right. So this is common data, common row, common information. We got it here. Okay, right. And the same as in place of the table names, student and course, in place of that, okay, even though we can use your alias names also. So student S, comma, course C, and where S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. So aliases also you can use, but there is no difference when I'm using aliases or without aliases. Only the thing is we are creating one temporary name or shortcut name on these tables to use in my condition. That's it. Okay. But remaining all are same. And here equal means we said it's matching row only retrievally here. Okay. Now right down below. So non-ANSI format with aliases and without alias. Okay. So now let me see how these joins conditions will be check and verify your table information. Okay, na? Now we can see this. As per my table, if I want to go, and this is your condition. Okay, this is your condition now. Don't write first observed. This is your condition. As per this condition, in my student table, so we have a course ID column, equal operator, and course of a CID. So these are what it is, the column along with their tables here. And in this, we have some information about student ID is 2, and year 1 is next it will be 3, year 2 is next it will be null, the next null, okay, this is null, and here we have 3, and this is 2. So this is actually your table columns data. Student table column data and course table column data. So in your join condition, and this is not only for equi-join, any join condition, either different conditions you can give it, but any type of condition you use here, okay, na? So there is a one rule will be followed by your joins. Now, which kind of rule is followed here means, here you can see in a tables, okay, each and every row of a first table comparing with all rows of second table. So now this is my table student, and in this one of my row 2, and this 2 I need to compare with the comparison operator is what now? Equal. So with all values I need to compare. So now I'm comparing here. 2 is equals to 1. Condition true or false? False. 2 is equals to 2. Condition true. So when the condition true, condition is matching, then that particular row will be joined. So that means here my output is what now? 2 and 2. This is matching of data. Next term, 2 is equals to 3. Condition false. So a row in a first table comparing with the all rows. The first section was completed. And the next one is, I will go for next one is what now? 3. So 3 also same as it is compared. 3 is equals to 1. False. 3 is equals to 2. False. 3 is equals to 3. True. So second time matching. So this is my result 3, 3. Next I will compare with the null. So null is equals to 1. False. 2. False. 3. False. Over. And the next I will go for to check it out here. So here 3 is matching now. No, next to 2. Again I will compare with 2. 2 is equals to 1. False. 2 is equals to 2. True. Again this row will be joined. Then after 2 is equals to 3. So now your a row in your first table is comparing with the all rows of second table. In this comparison, wherever your condition will be matched, that matching rows are going to be joined. Understand now? So then finally we got it. Our output is what now? 2 2 3 3 2 2. So that is final output. What we achieved here. What we achieved here. Now understand now how this output is came. Understand all of you? This is the way it will be compared. Each and every row will comparing here. Okay, right. And same as suppose if I want to write in ANSI format. So what should we do in this ANSI format means in between the tables we need to use a join key, and a join key means we are using which join? Inner join. And course, and later in place of where, because where is not allowed here. So in place of where, what should we do? On. And now you can check the same result, same output. But the difference is what we said here. This is compatible, that is, sorry, portable, that is not a portability. And the same as if you want to keep your aliases, okay? And this is, you just keep it your alias here. See, on. Then I will come back here to check student s.cid and c.cid. This is also same result. Okay, na? So ANSI format and non-ANSI format, how to write equi-join. Now we got some idea? Yes or no? Now take here ANSI. So one example I will give it now. Okay, then you will get some idea now. So the remaining next onwards I will go to direct. So here I just keep yes and keep C and avoid this and avoid this. And below, take the rule here, rule of joins. On which rule it will be followed, and every join will be same rule, guys. Here, okay. Once you understand this rule, remaining all are same. What we said here, a row in a table is comparing with all rows of and other table. So based on this rule, your joins will be work. And the next example right now. Okay, right. Write a query to retrieve student, comma, course details who are joined in Oracle, Oracle course. So I was showing your first example only non-ANSI format, but remaining examples directly I'm showing ANSI. Okay, because you also just focus on ANSI mostly, and just non-ANSI, your idea purpose I was given. Okay, na? Right. So now the next one is what now? I need to retrieve student, comma, course details who are joined in a Oracle course. So previous example, what it was happening here, almost how many courses are matched here? Okay, that all courses along with their students details are, we got it. But now I want it not all types of courses. I want to know who are joined in a Oracle. Only specific course I need to find out. Okay, now. So in this case, how we need to write a join? Okay, now I will take your select student name, comma, C name, course name. This two enough for me. And from what is the tables here? Student S, which join, in a join. Next course C, which class, on class. S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. It is called as a join condition. Compulsory, first your two tables are joined. After joining two tables, later you can perform any type of a condition. First, the technique is what now? Two different tables. I want to combine first of all. After combining, later you can go to write your conditions what you wanted. Okay, na? That's what. That's why without join condition, directly you can't write your other conditions here. So compulsory first join condition, then after only other conditions. Okay. Then I can understand this is a join. Okay. So now, and second condition, what I'm saying here, course name is equals to which course I wanted? Oracle. So now we can see who was joined in that courses. Only two students. His names are Smith and Jones. Right on below. So directly I'm showing ANSI formats only. Only one example is non-ANSI. And if you want to write this into non-ANSI, you can write, no problem. But not necessary. ANSI focus it. And here you should give some comment here for your understanding. So this is your join condition. Joining condition, it's compulsory. And this one is called as a filtering condition. It is called as what now? Filtering condition. Okay, right. Sir, how this condition will work? Okay, now we can see here also same. Do you have a student table? Okay, now okay, and this is my course table. In two tables, okay, from student table I will take CID. In course CID comma C name I will take it. Here two as a student ID is a one and C language. Year three and year two is what now? Oracle. And year null, okay, year three is what now? Java. Okay, and year two. This is actually my table information. So now see how this two, this is table one and this is your table number two. But in this example, we've taken two conditions we written. One is JC, join condition. One is FC, filtering condition. Okay, and in between two conditions, if you see this is condition number one and this is condition number two, then between these two condition, which operator I'm using? AND. Already we discussed AND operator. AND operator when it will returns true? When both conditions are true. When both conditions are true, then only true. If any one condition false, false. Both conditions false, false. So that is what it was happen. So now same, the two conditions, you keep it and start your execution process. How it was executed? A row in a table comparing with all rows of second table. So this is a common point. Every condition you must be checked like this only. Understand now? So now I'm checking now. What is your first row? 2. My first condition is what? S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. So now S dot CID, C dot CID. So 2 is equals to 1. Condition true or false? False. When my first condition is false, is it necessary to check my second condition? No. I just leave that. Can I leave that? Yes, I just leave it. Next, 2 is equals to 2. Condition true. So first condition true means compulsory I need to check second condition now. Yes. Second condition what I was given, C name is equals to Oracle. So this is my C name. C name is equals to what it was there? Oracle. So second condition also true. True. Then can I join this? Yes, I can join it. I can join it. So my answer is what now? 2 to Oracle come. Okay, next. 2 is equals to 3. False. First condition false. Second condition need to check? No, leave it that. Okay, na? Yes. Second one. Second row. 3. 3 is equals to 1. False. 3 is equals to 2. False. 3 is equals to 3. True. So my first condition true? Yes. First condition true means second condition want to check na? Yes. Second condition is what? C name is equals to Oracle. But your C name is equals to what? Java. So first condition true, second condition false. True, false, false. So first row comparison completed. Second row comparison also completed. And next go for null. So null compare. All are false, 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 false. Okay. Next compare 2. Okay. 2 is equals to 1. False. 2 is equals to 2. True. So first condition true na? Yes. Second condition want to check? Yes. Second condition is what? C name is equals to Oracle. Then C name is equals to what? Oracle. So condition true? Yes. So true. Then I can join. 2 Oracle. Then 2 is equals to 3. False. So finally, Oracle, how many students? 2 students. You got it? Yes. This is the way how you need to check your end operator condition. Okay, na? Next, take one more example. write a query to retrieve employees details who are working in the location is Chicago. Who are working in the location is Chicago. Okay, right. So we need to find out the employees who are working in the location of Chicago. And now we can come out, and these are the demo tables I already uploaded into Google Class. Okay, now, now you can see, actually, this is my employee information. In this employee table, we have a total 14 employees we have. But in this table, employees are there. But did you find out any location in this? No, there is no location. So that means what you understand, your locations are having into another table. So which table your DEP team? And your locations are there: New York, Dallas, Chicago, Boston. So now my requirement is what now? These are 14 employees. Out of 14 employees, how many employees are working in which location? Chicago location. Okay, now, so that I need to find out. So that means here what happened? Employees details are one table. Locations are one more table. So my required data was there in two tables. Then what should be used? Join. First, this two table join. Then you have to write a filtering condition to which location you want data. Understand now? Can you try this? Huh? Right. Previous example, this example, same. But table names are changed, requirement is changed. If you want to join this two table, what should be? Check first of all, common column name. Is there any common column name is there in this two table? Which one? So that means department number is there. So you know that how to write a join condition. Join condition first write. Later what condition? Filtering condition. Filtering what we required? Which location you wanted? Chicago. Previously, which course I wanted? Oracle. C name is equals to Oracle. Your location is equals to Chicago. Same to same. Okay, na? Just table names are changed. Right, all of you. Take 2 minutes of time. Enough. Come fast. Good. Equal. Okay. Equal operator. Good. 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 Okay. Now check it out here. How to write now? Select ename comma LOC from EMPE inner join DEPT D. Which class? On class. What is the common column? Department number D dot department number. Up to here, join condition. What should we do? Filtering condition. What is the filtering condition? LOC is equals to Chicago. Okay, na? So how many employees are working in Chicago location? How many employees? 6 employees. Ellen, Word, Martin, Blake, Turner, and James. And how this will be work? Yeah, very simple. Here my joint condition is what now? E dot department number is equals to D dot department number. Which location I want to take? Chicago. So now see, Chicago location department number, how much here? 30. This 30 number, how many times matching in your employee table? 30 is equals to 30 matching, 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 30 is equals to 30 matching. How many times matching? 6 times. That means how many employees are working? 6 employees. Simple. Okay, na? So this is the way you can write in your ANSI format. Okay, this is your ANSI format. Okay, now, so like here, equi-join is always be retrieving only matching data. Okay, now? Now next one takes siding here. Non-equi-join. Non-equi-join. So non-equi-join, carefully observe. Okay. When we retrieve the required data, the required data from multiple tables, based on any condition, except an equal operator, okay. In this join, we can use the following operators. The following operators are less than, comma, greater than, comma, less than or equals to, comma, greater than or equals to, comma, not equals to, comma, end operator, comma, between operator, or comma, or operator, comma, etc. But which operator I don't want to use? Which operator? Equal, we don't want to use it. So you can use any operator except equal. Then we called as it is a non-equi-join we called. Okay, right. So one small example we will discuss now first. A general example I will explain to you. Okay, right. Suppose I'm going to create a few sample tables. I'm creating serial number and name varchar2 of some size, and to insert into test1 sending values of 1 comma Smith. Okay, then after I will give it your 2 comma Ellen. This is one of my table with two people, and I just committed for permanent purpose. The second table I'm creating, create table test number 2. So serial number comma salary, number of 10. Then into this table again I'm going to insert few values now. Okay, sending values 1 comma 23,000, and here I will give 3 comma 43,000. So here also I just committed now. And finally, two sample tables we designed, test 1 and test number 2. So on these two tables, if I want to use my non-equijoin, so how I can write? First, I will show you non-ANSI. So now I'm going to writing here select a star from test 1 T1 comma test 2 T2. Which class is support? Where class? Where class T1 dot serial number. Common column is what? Serial number is equals to T2 dot serial number. But here careful observe. In your join condition level, which operator are you using? Equal. So that means this is which join? Equijoin. So this is called a equijoin. Matching data again come. But I don't want to go for equijoin. I want to go for what? Non-equijoin. So except equal, you can use greater than, you can use less than, you can use less than or equals to, you can use greater than or equals to, not equals to, anything you can use, but don't use a equal. Suppose I was given greater than. Okay. As per this condition, let me come out and see. As per your condition, okay. So now we can observe. Here, this is our condition. T1 dot serial number is greater than T2 dot serial number. So now T1 dot serial number is greater than T2 dot serial number. So now carefully observe. This is two tables now. In my T1 test1 table, what is the serial numbers I kept? 1, and here test2 table have a 1. Here 2, here 3. This is my tables. So these are my tables. I have a data. Okay. And now, what is the rule of join? A row in a table is comparing with all rows of second table. So this is blindly remember. Every time I don't want to repeat. Okay, na? So now first row I just compare here. Which operator? Greater than 1 greater than 1. False. 1 greater than 3. False. Is there any condition satisfied? No. I just leave that. Second one, 2. 2 greater than 1. True? Can I join this? Yes, of course. So, my answer is what now? 2, 1. Next, 2 greater than 3. False. So, answer is what? 2, 1. So, now see, you got it, your 2, 1 or not? Got it, huh? Yes, 2, 1. Okay. This is what we called a non-ANSI format, right now. And before that, what I'm going to do, this demo tables I'm keeping here, okay? For your practice purpose, you can use. Don't write this demo tables, just practice purpose. It will be there in your running notes, okay? Na? What is my example here? So I just want to go for to compare this data with the greater than operator. So this is the format of which one, guys? Non-ANSI. but same as if I want to give in the ANSI. ANSI, where you want to change? Come on class. Remaining all are same, No. Here what should we do? Here join key. Because non-equi join, there is no separate inner keyword is not there. That's why simply use what now? Join key. And with the join key, even though if you try and see, okay, same output will come to you. Okay, right. So like this, you can use here less than. Like this, you can use greater than or equals to. Like this, you can use here less than or equals to. Like this, you can use here not equals to. Okay. These are all are comes under non-equijoin. Any operator you can use. Okay, right. So take one more example. Write a query to display employees whose salary is between low salary and high salary. So next requirement, I want to display employees whose salary is between low and high. Here non-ANSI format only for your idea purpose. One example I'm showing, but you should focus on mostly on ANSI. Okay, your target is ANSI. Non-ANSI, by bad luck, if any interview person is asked, you can show that statement. Okay, na? But non-ANSI actually outdated. Present, they are not using in real time. But in case if any bad luck, okay, if anybody asks you how to write into non-ANSI, then only one example I'm showing how to write non-ANSI format. And same, these are all are copy paste here. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that's why I'm showing only one time. Remaining examples all we are seeing in the ANSI levels. Okay, right. And now here also you can see, I want to display employees whose salary is between low and high. So which employee's salary was like that? Those employees I need to fetch. First come to your table now. The first one of my table, select a star from EMP. So carefully observe. Here 14 employees we have and 14 employees salaries are there. But can you tell me in this table, do you have any low salary, high salaries? Is there any column? No. It means what you understand? Those columns are having in another table. That another table, this table is also I uploaded in your Google class. The table name is called as what? Sal grade. In Sal grade table, grade numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, low salaries, high salaries. 700, 1200, 12, 14, 14, 20, 20, 30, 30, 99. So these are all our low salaries. These are all our high salaries. So my comparison where it is here, I want to compare your salary column data, each and every value, compare with all values of second table. Understand na? So now you can come out and see here. What is this? First one, 800. So now 800 you need to compare. 800 compare. Between 800 comes between 7 to 12. Condition, true or false? Condition, true. 800 comes between 12 to 14. False. 800 comes between 14 to 2000. False. 800 comes between 2 to 3. False. 800 comes between 3 to 9. False. So where it is matching? Here it is satisfied my condition. So that means what is my output? 1, 700, 800, 1200. Understand now? Like all you can check. Like second row. What is the second row? 1600. So 1600 also same as usual. You can compare now. 1600 comes between 7 to 12. False. 1600 comes between 12 to 14. False. 1600 comes between 14 to 20. True. 1600 comes between 20 to 30. False. 1600 comes between 30 to 99. False. So now 1600 matching with which grade number? 3. Matching with the 3. Understand na? So that is a rule. A row in a table comparing with the all rows. As of now, what I explained, same here also. Okay, right. But how I need to prepare my query? Write down here. Select ename comma sal, low sal comma high sal. From which table? EMP. What keyword? Join. What is second table? Sal grade on. Okay. So on, what is the condition I need to write here? Salary between I said. So which operator? Between operator. In the question only answer is there. Yes or no? On which column comparing? Salary. Salary between what? Low salary and high salary. That's it. Now we can see all people will come to you. Almost any one employee anywhere it was satisfied. So 800 comes between 7 to 12. This is satisfied. 950 comes between 7 to 12. 1100 comes between 7 to 12. 1250. Like almost every employee in any one level, their conditions are satisfied. Okay, na? Write down. But in this, I'm using any equal operator? Not at all. Okay, right. So guys, tell me, in place of between operator, is there any chances we have to use any other way? Already we discussed basics, operators concept. Between operator means what now? Range. Working on range, yes. This range you can define in another way also. How to define your range? Very good. Who said? What is that? Salary greater than or equals to low salary and greater than or less than or equals to high salary. So between place, if you want to write in another way, you can write like this. Select e name comma sal comma low sal comma high sal from EMP, which operator? Sorry, which key? Join key. Sal grade. What should be? On. So salary which is greater than or equals to low salary and salary which is less than or equals to high salary. Can I write between operator like this? Yes. And same output will be come to you. So 800 between 7 to 12, 950 7 to 12. Okay, na? So write down. This is one way you can use. Okay. In this all example, you can see your conditions. Is there anywhere I'm using equal? No. So we use less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, between operator, end operator. These all kind of things we did, but we never used any equal. So this type of statements are called as a non-equijoin statements. It's very simple, guys. There is nothing confusion in this. How to identify equijoin, non-equijoin means when your statement was built with equal operator, then confirm it is a equijoin. Other than equal operator, any other operators you used, then you can confirm it is a non-equijoin. That's it. और इसमें कुछ नहीं है. Nothing was there in this. So many people thinking that joins are very tough, but joins are very easy because they don't know the rule. Now rule understand na? Any condition you can give, but only in your mind one rule is always a circle. What is that? A row in a first table comparing with all rows of second table. That's it. Either you are using between condition and end operator condition greater than or equals to less than nothing matter, but every row to row compare. Understand or not? Yes. If you comparing like one or two example, practice yourself at a home or room remaining all joints, you can do it. Okay, but so many people, what now, this rule is not explaining to the students. That's why they are confusing how it was work. Okay, but if you know this rule as it is, follow this rule on any condition, this condition end condition okay, these conditions between condition whatever it was, that rule you just keep it in your mind and follow. automatically come. Okay. And now you can see equi, non-equi. The two statements we identified, how to write and how to identify. Now the thing is, in these two joint statements or in these two joints, there is a drawbacks are there. What is a drawback? Equi joint is always retrieving matching data. It means what we are losing, unmatching data losing. Yes or no? Yes. Non-equijoint is always retrieving unmatching data. What we are losing? Matching data. So equijoint drawback is losing unmatching rows. Non-equijoint drawback is losing matching rows. So in these two joints, it have its own drawbacks. But sir, I don't want to lose matching row. I don't want to lose unmatching row. So it means I want it matching data and also unmatching data combination I wanted. Okay, na? But in this two, what it was happen? One is getting, one is missing. Yes or no? Equijoint getting what? Matching row. Missing what? Unmatching row. Non-equijoint getting what? Unmatching row. Missing what? Matching row. But sir, I don't want to lose any type of data. I want it complete data. I wanted complete data. Then what I can do, sir, to get that kind of situation means there the people was introducing what? Outer joins. Right down below. So now if any interview person is asking what is the use of outer joins? Now you understand now? Sir, in equi and non-equi joins are having its own drawbacks. One is missing matching, one is missing unmatching. But if I wanted the both types of data from both tables, there I required a outer joins. Is it clear? Outer joins main intention is what now? Whatever the problem we've identified in equi and non-equi, those problems we can overcome by using outer join. Okay, right down below. Right down. In the above, equi and non-equi join, equi and non-equi join, we found drawbacks are losing matching rows in equi. Okay, in which one? Non-equi join and unmatching rows in equi join. To overcome the above, problems, we use a technique is called as which technique? Outer joins. A technique is called as a outer joins. Okay. These are continuation. These are how many types? How many types we given? 3 types. What is my first one? Left outer join. What is my second one? Right outer join. What is my third one? Okay, full outer join. Okay, right. So what is the left outer join? Careful observe. So left, the key already mentioned. Which key here? Left side key. Okay, so that means in this join technique, we are getting matching data from both tables. Understand now? Matching data from both tables, but unmatching data getting from left table. Only left side table, not a right side. That's why it is called as a left outer join. Okay. So that means left outer is also have a problem now. What is the problem? Matching data, both we are getting, that's okay. But unmatching data from only left side. It means right side unmatching data missing. Okay. To get that, we use what now? Right outer. Right outer, what it was happen? Same matching data getting from two tables or multiple tables. Unmatching data from right side. It means here also have a drawback now. What is that? Losing left side. So to this two combination, we fulfill what? Full outer join. In full outer join, what happened? All matchings are come and all unmatchings are come. So that means full outer join through, we are not losing any type of data. So we are getting complete table data. Okay, through what? Full. Understand now? These are the definitions, right now? Left outer join. Retrieving matching rows from both tables but unmatching rows from the left side table only. The left side table only. So I will go for example and take a ANSI format. First, I will show you. Okay, right. So in ANSI format, if you want to write here, careful observe. So already two tables we designed, course as well as student. So in this, 2, 3 is called a matching data. One is unmatching data. Null is unmatching data. So my two tables are having matching data, unmatching data. So both are there. So now if I use left outer join on this, okay, select a star from student S, which keyword? Your keyword you can use directly, left outer join, course C, which class? On class S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. That's it. Then if you execute this one, careful observe, here left and right side table, how can we decide? It means that as per passing order, in which order the programmer will be prepared here. Okay, based on that, it will decide that this is a left, this is a right. Suppose I'm a programmer, is my wish. I kept student table left side. I kept course table right side. If you want to change your wish, you can keep course left, student right. So here order and positions, who will decide means a programmer decide. Okay, the way in which way are you passing your table order, based on that only your Oracle will treat this is a left, this is a right. Okay, na? It's your hand. How we are passing, based on that Oracle will treat this is a left, this is a right. So now I'm passing like this. It's my query. I'm passing like this. Then which table is left side? Which table is right side? Course. So that means as per the definition, what we said, we are getting matching data from both tables. We are getting, but unmatching data getting from left side table. Left side means who is this? Student. So student table left row only we are fetching. But the student table unmatching row, the corresponding row in the right side table by default will take what now? Nulls. That's called a empties. Understand now? Yeah. So this is matching data from both tables, unmatching data from left side table. Okay. And right side by defaults are what? Nulls. Okay. For example, sir, can I change my order? Yes, of course. So now I can change my order. If my wish, I'm giving C this side left outer join, and I can give it here student right side I'm giving. Now in this way, which is left side now? Course. Which is right side now? Student. That means unmatching data is coming from where? Course table in this example. Understand or not? Yes. What do you say? C dot CID is equals to S dot CID. Now we can see what it was happening here. So 232, 232. This is called a matching data. This is called a matching data. But unmatching data, can you identify it here? What is this? C language. C language is unmatching row. But the unmatching row of right side corresponding what it was by default? Null. Okay, na? So now, so that means what you finally concluded here, the directions of your tables will decided by programmer, not your Oracle. Understand na? Right down below. Anyone you can use as your wish. Okay. Sir, here we return ANSI format, okay, because we have a direct keyword is there, so that's why we return. Okay, na? This is important for your interview, compulsory question. Maybe equi-join they didn't ask you, but outer joins how to write in non-ANSI format, compulsory question. Because the statement as a fresher and learner, you doesn't know it. Who teach you, those students only know it. Huh? If I'm teaching, definitely you know it. If I'm not teaching, you don't know it. Huh? Check. As your logic, think. Non-ANSI format syntax, you all of you know. So now I want to write a left outer join mechanism in non-ANSI format. Think your side any idea you will get observed? Come on, all of you. Check. Any idea is there? Already you know equijoin how to write. Already you know non-equijoin how to write. Okay, now? So now my question is left outer join how to implement in a non-ANSI format. Think. Come on. Any guessing? Online students, you also. how to write online students. Open your chat box. Open your chat box and write if any guessing is there. All of you try. Try, I will get what 2 to 3 minutes. Observe. Try it, all of you. Don't write in your notes. Just think and tell me, I will write. Okay. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Of query I am writing, of query you written. My query I am writing. Select star from student, comma, course. Over. My query is over. My part is over. Then your part now. Where? Okay, sir. Where? Student dot. Okay. So student dot CID. Okay. Equals to, okay. Course dot CID. And having कहां पर यूज करना है यार? Having when we want to use? After group by. यहां तो group by concept ही नहीं है. Okay, what you written here, this is what actually? Equijoin. Okay, right. After equal, course dot CID. Okay. Which data came? Matching. So that means it is equijoin. Yes. Okay. I will give one thing. Okay. Hint I will give it. Okay. This is your assignment for tomorrow. So hint is go to Google and search. Okay. You are searching Google, any reference book, whatever it is. Tomorrow, I'm going to sing each and everybody to fulfill this requirement in a non-ANSI format. You can use Google, no problem. Okay, na? So, अरे Google इतना अच्छा book है. Yes? You will get all the things, na? All the things you will get in Google or not? Then use it Google. Okay, say this itna acha chance. Online students, you also try this. Use Google, take Google help and fulfill this requirement. Okay, this is your assignment tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. So I stop it and we'll continue tomorrow. Right. Thank you.